Welcome to Mike in Thailand, my first rice harvest. As the water is now drying out of the paddy fields, you can see the fish in the remaining part.
Now have a little yellow, and clean. Maybe have strong sun tomorrow or after tomorrow. We can cut right, go clean, but not much. Only yellow, but not much. 3 days, I think 3 days, better. 3 days.
That's the boss has spoken. About 3 days from now,
3 days.
we will be cutting. This gives you some idea how tall the actual rice is. Boo tying it back up from where it's been blown over by the wind. Obviously it's getting top heavy. Rice harvest. More problems for Farmer Mike. This is the rice at the moment. We were planning to cut possibly Monday, but we've got this storm that's come up from the Philippines, tornado, whatever it is making it rain, which it shouldn't be doing because we're now out of the rainy season. So this is not quite ready to harvest yet. You can see there's faint green in it. If I look at that one and you look at this one, can you see? I'll get the two together. Can you see the slight difference between them? So we're not quite there to harvest, but what we don't want is a lot of water. I've just arrived on site and we've got our first couple of people cutting already here. This banana lady who I often talk about. You can see she's cutting off the top of the rice and she's laying it down in rows. So we've got people turning up. I've told Burr she has to organise them. She just thinks everyone's going to get on and work. It looks as if we're now trying to get some sort of organisation.
มื้อนี้ค่ะเด็กน้อยสิมาเกี่ยวข้าวเด้อค่ะเด้อเกี่ยวข้าวฝรั่งค่ะเกี่ยวข้าวเมียฝรั่งค่ะมื้อนี้ Hello my god
She's making YouTube as well.
ร้องเพลงเอาตัวร้องเพลงเอาตัวร้องเพลงเอาเย่อันเพลงจิตราวางไหนก็ Hello บ่าวฝรั่งมาเป็นภาษา
They're having fun.
ไอ้นี่พูดแหละอยู่มาแท้แม่นบ่เนาะมันสิแล้วบ่เจ้าของ
So this is the rice. It's all laid out in on the floor. You can see it stretching away. Several rows of it like this. These are the ladies having a little rest in the shade. I don't know what Boo is planning for them all day, but it's costing me a fortune. The majority of this is done by machine now, combine harvester. So this is a dying art that they're doing here. If you notice, there's no younger generation. They're all old people. The youngsters won't do this. They're inside playing on their telephones. The rice has been laid out all in rows like this throughout the paddy field, and evidently it's now going to be left here for 2 days for the straw to turn colour. Straw is green at the moment, and they're going to leave it here for 2 days until it goes straw colour, and then we can thrash it. They're working their way through the last part of the paddy field. Listening to them in the paddy field, I think it's as much of a social thing. Obviously they need the money, but it's an old way of life that is disappearing. So after giving up work from skirmish and retiring, swearing I'd never be self-employed again, going to Tesco's, which was nice and easy, sat there, got my paycheck. Here I am, I've got 12 people working for me. It's about 9:30 at night. We're out in the paddy field. We're actually bunching up or all the rice into bundles. You can see he's doing it. This is so we can transfer over to be thrashed. All the rice is laid out in rows from when it was cut. So we've just been walking across and we just caught a snake. I put him in this blue drum. Boo has put a plastic drum and a watering can on top to stop him getting out. But hopefully we'll have a look at him in the morning. It's the next morning now, so I've just come down to the farm as usual, and you can see that all this has been bound up. I don't know if we're thrashing tonight. This needs all making into bushels still. This is the bamboo they use to tie it up with. Let's go and have a look at the snake we caught last night. Oh. There he is. Wake up. So here's my snake. Can you see him in there? Evidently, he's not harmful. So there he is, making a little dash for freedom.
Good man.
Hard work.
You long body.
Long body.
Good job.
I hope so.
Ôi rồi nè này. Oh, sky. Beautiful. Hard work.
Lots to get done.
How many right in 2 right? People talk about how 30 back from 2 right.
This is the bushels of rice all stacked up. You see all the rice? And I believe we're either going to thrash it today or tomorrow. Yesterday we had to cover our pile of rice up as it was raining, which it shouldn't be doing this time of year. Here's our thrashing machine next to our pile of rice. Interestingly, I was watching the news on YouTube yesterday, and about 50% of the rice in Isaan has been destroyed because of this rain we've been having from this tornado that's come up from the Philippines. So it's been a very, very bad year.
Rong ơi, để có bao nhiêu sức yeah. Farang วพี่น้องเอ้ยฝรั่งสีขาวจ้าเรียบร้อยแล้ววันนี้ปีหน้าเพิ่นก็สิมาลง
So this is the result of Farmer Mike's work. We're up in the rice store and I have 19 bags of rice, or in Thai, pom mai cow sip gao tung crap. So this is the final product. It's now being off to the mill and has had all the cases, casks taken off, and we've now got pure white rice. No doubt we're going to see what it tastes like tonight. So this is the final product on the plate. All that work and effort to make my rice would probably have been cheaper to go to Tesco's and buy it.